देखिए हर खबर यहीं पर, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए TV9 भारतवर्ष।
Central thing the government needs to do is it needs to now give a little bit of transparency on its actions. We need to understand when they open, what is the criteria for that opening. So what are the boxes that they want ticked off before they actually start to open? Number one. And I think it's important that the government tells the people of India that these are the criteria that we are going to be using. And if these criteria are met, then we are going to open. Second, we simply cannot continue without providing support to the people who are suffering as a result of this lockdown. And the thing that is most important to understand that the lockdown is not simply a switching on a key and getting rid of the lockdown. Lockdown requires number of things to happen. It requires a psychological change. Currently, the disease in India is seen as a very, very dangerous disease. And it is true. The disease is dangerous for certain groups of people. It is absolutely dangerous for older people. It is absolutely dangerous for people with diabetes, heart disease, hypertension, chronic infection, lung infection. But other than that, it is not a dangerous disease. So we are going to have to make a psychological change in the mind of our people. Currently, the people are very scared of the disease. The government, if it wants to open up, it has to turn this fear into a sense of confidence. Otherwise, you can open up and people won't go out. Finally, I'd like to say that the opening up is a transition. It is not an on-off switch, it is a transition. And you have to have a strategy for opening up. And this is what I said in my last press conference. And also I mentioned to the Prime Minister in my letter that please, this is not an on-off switch. This is a massive transition that is required. It will require coordination between state government, central government, DM, everybody. And most important, the people of India. That is the challenge in front of the government now. And let me tell you, it's not a trivial thing. It is a serious challenge, and I would request the government that they view state governments as partners. They view district magistrates as their partners, and that they do not centralize the decision making.
फिक्र आपकी सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 9 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर।